So good morning everyone. Today we will solve we have given the contest of the code forces division 4 1050, and we will discuss the solution about this contest. What are the solutions of this uh, top four questions. We will discuss about their solutions. Now let's see the solution, or okay, let's see the question first. Okay. What the question saying that farmer John has a integer x, and okay, so here we have given that sorry, okay, here we have given that some number x is given, and x will be repeated n times. Okay, so x will be repeated n times. So how they will be repeated? Like x minus x, this is 2 times, and if we repeat now x, this will become 3 times. Okay, so like this we have to repeat the x. Now again the next term will be minus x. So in that way the x will be repeated. Now this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out. So if n is even, so whole will be cancelled out and we will print 0, and if it is odd, so x will be printed here. So only the x will be there, because we are printing first x then minus x. If there will be like that, we are printing minus x first and then we are printing the x. So here we have to print minus x. Okay, so it's clear now. Let's move on to the next question. What the next question saying? Okay, so it's a little bit complicated question, but it is very easy approach. Its approach is very easy because we have to focus on the constraints which are given here. So the constraints, what the question says that you should read it once, and then I will discuss about the solution. Pause the video and then you read the solution first, and then move to the okay. So pause the video, read the question, and then move to this solution. Okay. Now what has given that we have given the x, y, n and m, and a and b is the arrays. Okay, so a and b arrays, consider that this is vertical lines and horizontal lines. Okay, so a considers the horizontal line and b considers the vertical line. Okay, so now here horizontal lines and vertical lines are given, but if this point is here, okay, here this point is here and this line is up to this only, so it has one chance, that one way that he can go from here to here to, and after okay, by bypassing this this horizontal line, he can go by only by crossing the one line, he can reach to the destination. But the constraints are given that this line should not be less than these points. Okay, less than these points, that like means if it is a 2, so that x-axis, on x-axis it is a 2, so this line will be x. Okay, will be x. Okay, every time necessary to reach the xy, and this will be x every times. Okay, every times. So that's why where it is given that let me see first that okay, coordinates lesser. So these are the lasers. Okay, so this laser will go up to the boundary, so that's why he will have to cross all the lasers. Okay, he will be not that laser, it will not, like this condition is given that that lasers are up to that point only. Means if this laser is pointing is going up to this point, so he will have one other way to going from this and going to this point. So that's why we will have to cross all the horizontal lines and vertical lines. So just we need to add the horizontal lines and vertical lines, that we are taking the input here and we are adding the horizontal and vertical lines here, and this will be accepted. So let's move on to the third question. Okay, just a second. uh, just a second, I guess. Okay, okay, sorry. uh, just pause, stop recording, start streaming, pause. Can't we pause here? Okay, we can't pause here. Stop recording. Okay, okay. Let's see the my submissions here. Okay. Okay, so we have to extract our C, okay, question C code. Just a second. Okay, yes, parser is here, and copy. It's copied. Okay, yes. This question we have, and we have not copied the, I guess, 6th or 8th question. Yes, I guess we have not copied the D question. Let's copy the D solution. Okay, solution of D question. I have not able to solve it in the contest, but later on I have found that there is some small mistake which I am doing. Okay, as this is the D solution. Let's see the C solution, and let's see the first. What was the question of C? Pacer. Okay, so pacer is here. Farmer. Okay, so here what's given, that the farmer can cut. Farmer has a machine. Okay, which is used to cut the fitness gram pacer. Okay, or we can say the okay, sorry, it's not the farmer zone. Okay, farmer zone, it is the fitness gym, gym question. So here in this gym, we have like that, means how can I understand, how can I explain that? You have, okay, yes, you have a gym. Okay, on other side there is a speaker. Okay, speaker, and there are constraints are given, that this farmer should be on one side. Okay, there are left side and right side. Okay, so the left is given as a 0, right is given as a, let's say, 1. Okay, then the farmer should start on a 0th side, and after that it is start working. Okay, start running. If it run from 0 to 1, so it gain 1 point, or from 1 to 0 it gain 1 point only again. Okay, now there are constraints are given, that the farmer should be present on at second. Okay, so in 1 second he goes from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, but on second 2. Okay, on minute 2, sorry, on minute 2, the farmer should be on the one side. Okay, side 1. Okay, side 1 is the right side. Farmer should be on one side, side 1, and on 4th second he should be on 0th side. So these are the constraints given, but the constraints can be smaller than the time given. Okay, it cannot be greater than that. Okay, so that's why we have to take now let's see the solution. What is that we have, because the farmer, we have taken it the 0 because at 0th second, at 0th second it is on 0th position. Okay, so that's why we have taken that at 0th position it is on 0th second. So we have to apply that. Okay, Okay, let's see the 0 and 0, and then again we have 3 and 4. Okay, sorry, we have this. Okay, we have, okay, this. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, okay, okay. So we have this solution, and the last is 4 4. Okay, so we can be at we can be 4, we can be at fourth. Okay, we can be at fourth, whether it is of at 0, or whether it is zeroth position or 1 position. Okay, we can at any side. Okay, now we are starting from 0 to 0. If we are at 0, if we are at 0th and we are going to 1, 0th and we are going to 1, but we have to spend 2 seconds now. 1 2, then we will come to again to 0th position. So that's why we have to stop at one place for 1 second. Okay, we have to waste our 1 second, sorry, 1 minute. We are talking about the minute, sorry. So we have to waste our 1 minute. So our total that total reward will be reward for this 2. Okay, this 2 will be reward will be 2 minus of 0, 2 minus of 0, but 2 minus of 0, but we have to stop at 1 for 1 minute at any place. So we will minus 1 from here. Okay, again here 2 to 4 is there. This is even, means when even is there, so when even positions are there, means their difference are even, so the position, the initial position, means 2 is here, then 3 4, so it will return to its original place. But this 1 and here it is 0 is given, so that's why here also reward will be 4 minus of 2 minus of 1. Okay, but if there is any of the place, like if there is condition given that 4 but at 1th index, if at 1th side, okay, one side, so it will be 4 minus 2 only. Okay, the difference which has given, that means when it is at 2 3, then again 4, so it will that reward, the reward will be plus 2. Okay, that's why we have given like that. Okay, so we have a pair of vector of pairs, and at that we have initialized it with 0 0 because it was our initial position. After that we have taken the answer is equal to time minus of array dot back. So this we can do at last also. So it can be possible that, because we can do it at last also, because this is this last to this. So from last to this we can travel at any side. Okay, so from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So that's why we will count every of them. Let's say it's of 3, it's of 6, so we will count 6 minus of 4, that is 2 will be plus, 2 will be added. If it was a 7, so it will be 7 minus of 4. Okay, that is a 3, so 3 will be added in the answer our. Okay, so now time is given, that the total time means total minutes for which we have to run. Okay, and again we will start from 1 and we will minus the first from the first from the first of the initial index. Okay, so we will minus 2 from 0. Okay, 0 from 2. Okay, then we will find out that even and odd, that how many are even, that when this difference, this 2 minus of 0 is even, and this is also even, that 1 minus of 0, so then it will add the both. Okay, means when the odd is 0, then even will be 2. When even will be 0, then odd will be 2. Okay, so this is a simple logic I have done. So when both are even or both are odd, so answer will be plus equal to difference. Okay, and if there is any of them, that one is even and one is odd, or this is even or this is odd, or this is odd, or sorry, this is even or this is odd, so there will be difference minus of 1 in the add, the answer will be add as a difference minus of 1. So that's why here our answer will come. And at the last calculation, the last calculation from the last index to the final time, okay, the time up to which we have to run, so we have added it already. So now this is the solution for the C. Let's see the D. Okay, let's see the D. Okay, so it's a farmer, that the farmer has dandelions in his field, and he want to cut that dandelions. Okay, so he has a like a tractor, like harvester. Okay, let's see the harvester ads. Okay, it has a harvester, very simple. So in our harvester there are, okay, sorry, in our India the harvester is used to cut the field, the paddy fields, okay, yes. So for this we will use the word harvester only. Now farmer has a harvester, and we will have to cut, that cut all the fields as possible. Okay, which how many are possible. Okay, so the harvester has turned off firstly. Okay, the harvester can turn on or off when it has the odd number of that dandelions in his field. Okay, odd number of dandelions. So here it does, this fields doesn't have any of the odd number of dandelions. That's why the harvester cannot be start, and it cannot cut the crops of any of the field. Okay, now here one odd is given, that 1, he will start that harvester and cut all the crops again. Okay, now we have given that. Okay, so here it's not that much hard. We have partitioned as a odd and even. We have pushed back the even into even array and odd into odd array. Okay, accumulate the even all. Okay, so this condition we will be at upper one, because we will give priority to this condition, because if odd is 0, odd size is 0, if there is no field with the odd number of dandelions, so we cannot cut any of the field paddy of the any of the dandelions of any of the field. Okay, so that's why we will return the 0. If we have at least one odd, so we will cut all the dandelions of even fields. Okay, even if we can the odd will start the harvester, and harvester will cut all the even dandelions, all the fields which contains the even dandelions, even number of dandelions. So that's why after that what we have to do, that we have sorted the odd number of dandelions. Okay, so now we will first take the that highest number of highest odd number of dandelions. Okay, dandelions. Okay, after that, okay, when we have like, let's say we have 8, 6, 4 and 2 and 1. Okay, so we have consumed this 8 for for the highest number of dandelions, okay, we have consumed it. Okay, we have consumed it 8. Okay, let's say we have consumed this. Okay, we have consumed this. Okay, we have consumed this. For consumed we will use 1. Okay, we have consumed the 8. We have started the harvester. Now we have to consume more and more of number of the dandelions. So that's why we have to off that, we have to make the off. Okay, we can let's focus on this, that just read this one, that if it is off it will turn on, if it is on it will turn off. Okay, so it will toggle the state of that harvester. So for making on the harvester we will use the 8, and to to make it off we will use the 0th, we will use the smallest one. Okay, now to make it on we will use the this one. Okay, to make it off, okay, sorry, to make it off we will use this one, 2. Okay, to make it on we will use 4th, to make it off we will use 3. Okay, so how many we have consumed as a n by 2? So the odd size plus 1 divided by 2 we have consumed here. So that's what our answer will be, plus equal to this 8, 5 and 4 all. If there are even number of dandelions, but if there is an odd number of that, like we have, like, okay, we have 4, we have 3, sorry, we have 5, we have 6 and we have 8. Okay, and we have again 4 here. Okay, so 4 will on the dandelion and the, sorry, on the harvester, and the harvester will remain on. Okay, we do not have to make it off and on and off. Okay, that's why. So because now this is done now. Okay, so this can be odd. Okay, this can be odd because otherwise the lawnmower, okay, is off. Okay, these are not considered because here the harvester is off. So when the harvester is off he cannot able to cut that the dandelions of on that field. So that's why these were neglected and these were considered. So this is our logic for the fourth, so the D question. Okay, so again many videos will come for after every of the contest. So subscribe to our channel and be with us, support us, and we will be surely achieving a great success with this channel. So thank you, goodbye, see you in the next video.